You are watching Manzar Tech. Break the limits with Momin Hashir.
Hello friends, I am Mumin Hashir and you are watching Manzar Tech. Today I am going to show you Sony's new Dolby Atmos soundbar system HTG700. Friends, we all love going cinema halls like PVR or INOX because we get two things over there. Number one, the bigger screen which enhances our viewing experience, and number two, the surround sound which enhances our audio experience. But unfortunately in India, the cinema halls will remain shut for a while. So if you are a movie lover, what will you do? You should go for a soundbar system. Not only soundbar, but today I'm going to introduce you with a Dolby Atmos soundbar in a budget. Believe me, it's going to be very budget friendly music system. Approximate it will be cost 40 to 45,000 or maybe lesser. Friends, it is a 3.1 channel soundbar system with a wireless subwoofer which gives you an amazing bass quality and surround sound. It is a Dolby Atmos soundbar and equipped with DTS-X technology. Therefore, it gives you cinema hall-like surround experience at your home. 3.1 channel means it comes with 3 speakers and 1 subwoofer. A dedicated center speaker ensures that vocal sound can be clearly heard, and the speakers on the edges create a virtual surround effect without the need of rear speakers. Friends, with 3 speakers you will get a 1 wireless subwoofer for richer and deeper bass. With simple wireless connection where you place it is up to you. It is not necessary that you have to put it in front of you or just below the TV or near the soundbar. You are free now. You can keep it anywhere you want it. It's completely wireless. So it suits the aesthetics too. As I said, it is a Dolby Atmos sound. So let me explain what is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos is an audio format which gives you object-based sound. You get 360-degree sound which comes from every direction, even from the top. It is also enabled with DTS-X technology. It is a format like Dolby Atmos. It gives multi-dimensional audio experience. If you often watch movies or web series on OTT apps, OTT means over-the-top applications like Netflix, Amazon Prime, ZEE5, Hotstar, etc., where Dolby Atmos or DTS-X enabled movies are available. So you will experience immersive 360-degree surround sound. Literally, you will feel like objects are coming closer to you, going far. You will be complete into the atmosphere. But please remember to enjoy actual Dolby Atmos effect in this soundbar, or I can say in these kind of soundbar. You need a TV which has EARC connection. Wait. Don't worry. What if you don't have a TV which doesn't have EARC connection, or you don't use any OTT app, rather you watch normal set-top box or cable TV? Will you able to get vertical surround effect or 360-degree surround effect? Answer is yes. Thanks to these unique audio technologies of Sony vertical surround engine and S-Force Pro front surround sound. As you can understand the features by name itself. S-Force Pro front surround sound engine converts normal sound into horizontal surround effect, and vertical surround engine convert a normal sound into vertical sound. Together both the technologies gives you immersive sound, vertical and horizontal, complete 360-degree experience without ceiling and rear speakers. That is the magic of Dolby Atmos soundbar. Friends, this system's remote comes with immersive AE button. AE means audio experience or audio effect. Whatever you want to say it. But it comes with a button called immersive AE button, which can upscale regular studio audio for virtual 7.1.2 surround sound. So every TV show and movies give the immersive surround sound. It has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect your Bluetooth enabled TV wirelessly and your mobile phone to enjoy music, movies, or web series, whatever you want. If you talk about the other connectivities, so it has one USB port, so you can plug and play a pen drive and stream music, as well as it has one HDMI input and one HDMI output. Output is with ARC connection and with 4K bypass also. Friends, because it is only an introduction video, very soon we will see the hands-on demo on this soundbar system. We will check the sound output, check the sound quality and many more features. So if you have not subscribed yet the channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button. If you like the video, please hit the like button too. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.